Well, we're here. If this is a place, then you're crazy. And besides, I'm not climbing those. Chicken. Oh well. I'm going first! Fine, but you're still crazy. Well, here we go. I go. I still have to go all that way. How you doing up there? Just fine, thanks. Oh my gosh! Are you okay? How am I gonna explain this to the Turaga? So, Flatter, wanna go in that cave? Okay. In the cave we go! Ah! Cave is scary! Bring it on, fish face. Ah! Huh, donut rings? People still eat those?